So I'm going to check out a new pizza joint in Williamsburg called Fini Pizza. You know how it goes. I saw a couple of photos on Instagram and it looked awesome, so I had to try it. I think this is the first chest mount video where you can actually see my yellow compression cap. Figured I'll do a chest mount there and a head mount home. It's so close, it's like just literally on the other side of the bridge. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Could I get a slice of pepperoni and a slice of Sicilian? Thank you.
Sicilian or pep slice? Enjoy.
That was the best Sicilian I've ever had.
My favorite's the pepperoni.
Your smile really says it all, so we appreciate that.
Amazing. And you do like an upside down on the regular pies with the cheese first and then the sauce?
No, like the grandma style. Nope.
Okay. The pepperoni I thought was like that, but
It's the pepperoni is kind of ingrained right into it.
Gotcha.
So then it kind of,
delicious.
you know what I'm saying.
Thank you. So, honest review, that was, I mean, you may have even heard me say it when I was in there, that was one of the best slices of Sicilian I've ever had. The dough was light, airy, crispy. I mean, I could probably put away like 5-6 slices of that, no problem. The regular slice, I'm actually glad I got the pepperoni. The sauce is a little bit sweet, but the pepperoni counteracts that and balances it perfectly. It makes it a little spicy, gives you a little bit of a flavor dynamic. Great crust on that too. These guys, they know what they're doing. Definitely want to go back and try more. This looks like a zoo's right in front. Zoozin'! What's up? That was one of the new blue Zoozes. Only 3 left today. 2 up on the blue Zoos. 2023 model. They're everywhere now. That's some great pizza. Williamsburg now is a pretty good stronghold for New York style pizza. You know, a lot of times you think like deep Brooklyn, like Bensonhurst, or even out in Coney's got the crown, but Williamsburg's coming in strong. Yeah, I think Barstool gave them a 7.9. I would probably go a little higher, but you know, his style's a little different than mine. Fini Pizza. Definitely got to try it again. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your grandma. You know the drill.